Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. Today we are looking at a Lobivia, one of my all-time favourite cacti, mainly because, or actually exclusively because of their incredible flowers. So this particular cactus here was bought as an unnamed variety at a cactus and succulent show sale, and so it's just got the tag of Lobivia SP, or short for species. The exact one is unknown. So rather aggressive spines on this guy. These are very sharp. The body has sustained some damage, likely because of the growing conditions. You know, it's been existing in one, and then I've moved it over into my growing conditions, which are different, and so there's an adjustment period. There are quite a few pups coming up from the base, which doesn't bother me because they're not growing around the main body, which I think looks terribly unsightly. So I'm not sure on this exact type. It could very well be a hybrid, as Lobivia do hybridize quite easily. So I've got no idea on the actual type, and it doesn't really bother me, to be perfectly honest. I think it's an incredible flower, beautiful red colour, and there's some white lower petals that are a bit sharper shape, just to offset it nicely. So growing difficulty for, I would say, the vast majority of Lobivia are fairly easy. So if we're looking at a scale of 1 to 10, I would put them at around a 5 to a 6. They're not difficult. They do like a drink when they're growing, but they will also handle extended periods of drought, as many of them come from extremely arid places. So it's kind of a little bit funny, really, that they will handle such levels of drought. But they will also grow equally well, many of them in the garden, copping full rain, and I water mine very heavily, especially in the growing season, not at all when it's winter. The mix that this guy's in is a 90-10, 90% in favour of gravel and 10% organic. I just wanted to get an idea of how much water this particular plant could handle, and then from there I'll make the necessary adjustments. And so next year I'll likely look at increasing the organic component, as this guy didn't plump up nearly as much as I wanted, but I used the 90-10 as a bit of a gauge mix to work out how much water I can actually give to a particular cacti. But anyways, there's that flower once again, that incredible like pink red sort of color, absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry, but I can't help with the name because I myself don't know. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.